Hey, what's up, Joseph? So, as Wendy told you over the phone, we are actually working with cabinet companies all over the country, and we were doing some research in your area when I came across your listing in Angie's List, and then I checked out your website. We are based in Charlotte, North Carolina, and we are doing this customized video about how you can beat out your competition online and get new customers. And since I don't want to waste any more of your time or mine, if by the end of the video you like what you heard and what you've seen and you'd like to know more about how I can help you bring on new customers, then give us a call. If not, that's no big deal. Take the tips still that I've given you today and use them and see how they work out for you. So let's go ahead and get started. The three different topics I'm going to cover today have to do with content, citations, and backlinks, and I'll explain a little bit more in detail what those are as we go along and try to lay everything out plainly. So content is everything here on your front page. That includes the words and also the pictures and what's behind the pictures. Google, they like to see about 1,000 to 1,500 words on your front page, and that just allows plenty of space for you to let your customers know what your business is all about, and it also allows plenty of space for something called keywords. Now, one of the ways we do a compare and contrast is by looking at some of the competition in the area. So I looked at the content on your front page, scanned it, and put it in wordcounter.net, and I can see that you guys have 91 words on your front page. There's another company, I'm not sure if you've heard of them, Frugal Kitchen and Cabinets, that are in Atlanta, Georgia. And I scanned the front of their website and I can see they've got 873 words. Now, just a practical thing you could do to begin beating out your competition is to go to at least 1,000 words. And like I said, 1,500 is a good number, but go to at least 1,000 words. Start out there and begin to optimize on some really good high search volume keywords. Now, keywords and key terms and key phrases are just the words that potential clients will use when searching for the type of business that you have to offer in your area. And at the end of this video, I'm actually going to show you one of those keywords that you can use, that you can even go, like if I go here, let's see, like if I go to this picture, right? And I go to save image as. You could type in a keyword here, right? So this is just an example, but kitchen cabinets, Atlanta, right? Could be a keyword that you could use. And when you begin to optimize on those keywords and you begin to include more content on your front page than your competition, that will put you on the road to making your website more of a magnet that attracts those clients. And you'll begin to beat out your competitors because you've got more content and you've got more high search volume keywords. And when I say high search volume, I just mean there's a good amount of people per month searching for that specific term, and you're optimizing on it in your content. And so you're attracting a lot of those clients online. Second thing I want to talk about really briefly is something called citations. Now, a citation is your business listed on an online directory. So Google is a directory, Yelp is a directory, Yellow Pages is a directory. And so there are tons of directories. Here's how it works. The more directories your information is listed in, the higher up in this area, which is called the Google Map Pack, you will appear. And so for this, we use a tool called Whitespark. And Whitespark just allows me to see how many citations you currently have as opposed to your competition. So I see that you guys currently have 6 citation sources, right? If I go here, I can see that Frugal Kitchen and Cabinets, one of the reasons they are ranking higher currently than you guys online is because they have 25 citation sources. And so what we want to do here is, because Whitespark allows us to see specifically where those directories are, and it even gives us the drop downs, we can see specifically where those URLs are. The key to ranking higher is to getting the same amount of citations and more. And so Whitespark allows us to see specifically which citations our competition already has, so that we can go after those and not take shots in the dark. Third and final thing I want to talk about is something called backlinks. Now for this, I use a tool called Ahrefs. You can use, there's also another tool called SEM Rush. There's another tool called Majestics. I like Ahrefs because it is as close to Google Analytics as possible. And so when I'm talking about backlinks, I'm talking about an authoritative website or platform that is linking up with your website, and they are sharing their authority with you. And when I say authority, I just mean how much Google trusts you. So because Google trusts them, they're linking up with you and they're passing back trust to your website. And so you're almost reaping the benefits in a way of how much trust that website already has with Google. And backlinks have a whole lot to do with how you're ranking online. So I currently see that you have no referring domains giving you no backlinks, and so you're currently not building any trust with Google. However, with the proper backlinks, you can begin to build that trust. And again, we're going to do some compare and contrast. So Frugal Kitchens, right, and Cabinets, they've got 291 referring domains giving you over almost 3,000 backlinks. And so we can see here they're beginning to build some trust with Google. Now, third and final, like I said, I wanted to show you a keyword that you can begin using. So kitchen remodeling Atlanta, they've got about 150 a search volume per month, and a 6 keyword difficulty. Very low keyword difficulty. You could take that word, begin optimizing on it in your content, and that's how they're getting a lot of traffic here. So Joseph, I hope this information was helpful and insightful to you. Please feel free to reach out to us, and thank you so much for watching.